Okay, so just for fun, me and Spencer are gonna make a little boat race we're gonna have. So come on over here, Spencer, let's find a little boat. So the first thing we need is some twigs. So you grab a little twig off the ground here. Spencer, pick your boat. I got my boat. So that's all we need is this little boat. And Spencer's looking for his boat. So it's just a little twig of any kind. Small little twig like this, Spencer. So you take a tree that has, see the little bubbles? So it's just tree sap. So you poke one and a little bit of tree sap comes out. So that's your fuel. So that's your fuel for our boat race. So are you ready, Spencer? My boat is fueled up. And we just go to a little puddle. I don't recommend little kids going to larger bodies of water where unless they're supervised. Okay, Spencer, so we're going to throw in our boat right here. And who's going to win this race? On your mark, get set, go. And there goes my boat. Holy moly. Spencer's boat has engine problems, but my boat is going.
It's going the wrong way.
Spencer's boat is going the wrong way, folks. He doesn't have much fuel. Oh, mine's crashed. And that's how you do a little boat race for fun on a little puddle.